Hello there, this is Scott again with Palace Jewelry and Loan, and this week we're going to be doing things just a little bit differently. We are actually upstairs in one of the admin offices, and I am here today with Justin.
Hi, Facebook world.
He is our store manager, and he's also a GIA graduate gemologist, one of 2 or 3 in all of Reno. So if you guys need anything done as far as appraisals on gems or diamonds, he's your guy you need to come see. So he's actually going to be the cameraman today. So I'm going to hand it off to him.
Great. What fascinating, interesting pawn shop device do we have today, Scott?
Well, today we're doing something that kind of reaches to me. My second tour in the military, I did journalism. So anything cool that comes in involving journalism, I really do like. So today we have something stuck in a box. And it's really stuck in the box.
They made it to fit. Wow, look at that.
This
A relic from the past.
is an Underwood Champion typewriter from the late 30s. And it's actually hard to believe that in its day, this was the pinnacle of technology as for this area. For a machine of this size, the Champion actually packs quite a punch. Introduced in the late 30s, along with a full line of other portable models. Can you imagine this being portable? The Champion was their flagship. Most features this model has were only available in an office-sized machine, which those machines back then would have covered the entirety of one of the desks. Some of those features include a sealed action frame, which is this piece right here, a dual touch tuning, which is this lever here. And basically what that does, different people type at different speeds, you know, heavy fingers, light fingers. This adjusts how much weight is on the keys.
It's a little innovative device there.
Yeah. And it also has an inbuilt tabulator, which in today's terms is just the tab key.
Tab key.
And again, being put on a portable device back then, that was extremely top of the line.
Right.
A little bit of history about this one. This model, the Underwood Champion, in the 40s, the United States Army chose the Champions as their typewriter of choice, mainly for their durability. And I know you can't tell on a video, but for a little guy, this sucker actually has some weight. It's metal. The multiple functions this sucker has, like the tab key, and proven reliability to work in all sorts of various conditions. Early models were offered in 3 colors: black, maroon, and of course the Army picked it up, so green. And they all came with a carrying case and an optional typing stand. And as you saw earlier, we do have the case. Another cool thing about this particular model is it was sold by one of the local businesses here in town. Guessing late 30s, early 40s, no way to tell when. The tag for that business is actually right here. Harry's Business Machines.
Reno, Nevada.
Reno, Nevada. You see the phone number's only 4 digits.
You gotta love that.
What's even more impressive, I found out earlier today, Harry's Business Machines is still in business.
Wow.
While the tag says guaranteed buy, I did ask about that, and the lady that I spoke with on the phone says they no longer work on typewriters.
After she maybe chuckled a little bit.
Quite a bit, actually.
That's great. Well, what a beautiful piece of our history. It really is in just amazing condition too.
As far as condition, it does need a new ribbon, obviously.
Right.
Some of the keys, I was typing a little bit earlier, some of the keys do stick. Nothing too bad, it just needs a little bit of oil put in, and this sucker will be just like new.
Well, if you have any questions about it, you can always call us down here, 775-322-2863, or just come in and see it for yourself. It really is beautiful. 300 North Virginia Street, Reno, Nevada, 89501. Anything else, Scott?
Got to do the social media plugs. Be sure to like us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can also shop us online, shop.thepalacetreasures.com. And we will be posting most likely tomorrow in just a normal post. We're not going to do another live video for it. What item we'll be giving away for this week's trivia challenge. So make sure you head on over to our Facebook page, probably around lunchtime tomorrow. Be sure to check that out.
Great. Thanks a lot, Scott.
Thank you, Justin.
We'll see you next week, Facebook world.